Hello everyone and welcome back to Kya channel. Once again I am Kirat Rekhi and welcome to the part 2 of online classes. So it's in part second of online classes after online teaching. So if you haven't seen my first video, so there's a link on the I button and the description box. Both links have been provided. Yeah, it's there, you can go and watch it. And so now continuing towards the part 2, what we will be doing is I would be telling you about online solution for you teachers and students. Both have been combined here. So what are the main function features we will be talking about is OneNote for Windows 10. So I would just like to tell you that if you have used OneNote for Windows 10, just please watch this video because it would help you to enhance your notebooks and enhance your notes and everything which you want. And the best parts of this OneNote for Windows 10 is that it has a synchronized feature, like you can sync it at any device, like you have a phone, you have a tablet and you have a laptop. So on the go you have a laptop at the home but you have a tablet on school or your workplace. So what you can do is you can edit anything on your laptop and that will be synchronized in your phone and your tablet, whichever you have signed in with your Microsoft account. All the Microsoft account should be on the same account. All the Microsoft device, these all the OneNote should be signed in with the same Microsoft account, not from the different. So likewise, you are going to the school and you want to do some edit, so you would do the edit and that would be done in your PC or in your laptop. So this synchronized feature is very useful. And likewise, if you are working on some big project and you have 2 to 3 people, like you have a holiday homework or any homework that group project, so what you can do is you are having 2 or 3 friends, you could just share that only notebook or only that section with your friends or with anyone. Likewise, they can edit, they can write their own points, they can write their own thinkings, what they think about this project and everything. So I hope this video would help you. So let's go to my computer screen and I hope you find this video useful. So let's go to the computer screen. Welcome to my OneNote for Windows 10 screen. So it is my, so I have downloaded OneNote for Windows 10 from the Microsoft Store, as it is freely available over there. You just have to go there and just download Microsoft from the Microsoft Store. This is a OneNote for Windows 10. It is compatible with only Windows 10. It will not be, you will not be able to use this OneNote from Windows 8 and Windows 7. So next, after you have downloaded this OneNote for Windows 10, what we will do, we will just you have to just sign in with your Microsoft account. So you can see it's Kirat Rekhi written here. So I have already signed in with my Microsoft account. So it's free of cost. The OneNote is free of cost and the Microsoft account is free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. So after you just signed in and open your OneNote, so we'll see different sections. So what you will see, the first section will be for your notebooks. You can see this panel, this is for notebooks. And so likewise, I have selected KR and I have used it for testings, and this is for all for tests. So I have just used this for KR for my tests, and this is my personal notebook. I can even the more notebooks are for the notebooks which are present on your OneDrive or which are accessible on other folders, which is basically basic a pre it's a paid feature which will not be able to identify in OneNote for Windows 10. But likewise, if you have an iPhone or any Android phone or any Android tablet, so if you have OneNote downloaded at that and at that phone, so if you would like to create a new notebook, then you could access it from more notebooks. Yeah, from that you can access it from more notebooks. But if you have created it on some other PC and you want to bring that notebook over here, so you will have to pay Microsoft for Microsoft 365 or Office 365. So we don't have to pay now, it's only free of course. So what I will do, I will create a new notebook. You can see I have created a new notebook from, yeah, I created a new notebook. You can see new notebook. I will create a new notebook for, so it's online solution. So it will take few moments to create a new notebook. You can see. So now what we will do is I will just give an overview to you about OneNote for Windows 10. So this is a home tab. Likewise, sorry, this is your notebook section. And this is your sections. Here you will add some new sections. Likewise, as a student's perspective view, you can create your own notebooks, and from the teacher's perspective view, you can create new notebook from the class wise, like class 10, class 8, class 9, and likewise. So from students perspective, likewise, you can assume that it's a science notebook, and you will create a new section under the which would be your topic name or your chapter name. And these are the untitled pages. This section is for pages, from where you could create new pages. You can add as many pages as you want. So I will create it as a, let me rename my section. Sorry. So likewise, right click and rename section to topic 1. So what I will do is, yeah, so I will create an untitled page and I will give it lecture 1. So the first thing you have to do is, it's very useful thing, that's this you have to go to view ruled lines. So you can see this is a ruled lines. You have to select the second option, that's college rule. Basically that will give you lines in which you can write, and these are for the grade lines, and this is a medium grade, small grade, large grade, and this is for the very large grade. Likewise, if you have some small maths to solve, you can use it here to teach lower students, likewise to second grade, first grade students. Yeah. So what I will do is, yeah, so now so now you have ruled your whole page. You can see I will zoom it out. It has infinite length of page. There's an infinite length. How much, it doesn't depends upon how much you write. So you can write as many length of sentences you want. Even you could finish one chapter in a sentence. It will never mind. So now you're going to dictate feature. Yeah, so this is a dictate feature, that's office dictation. So okay, I will just click it, and it will, what I am speaking, it will convert it into a text. Basically it's very useful. Likewise, you are taking an online classes, so you can put this dictate feature on, and what your teacher is teaching will be converted into a text, and it would be written over here. So let me this enable it. So welcome to my first OneNote tutorial, and it's a second part of online classes series. I hope you enjoy it. Period. Next line. Next line. Oh, sorry, it's new line. New line. Yeah. So sorry, I just confused between the next line and the new line. So as you can see, it has converted all my text into this. You can, yeah, I would just format this text. Yeah. So yeah. So if I select it, you can drag it anywhere. You can drag it anywhere you want. Yeah. So as you can see, I have dragged it, and so it would help you to dictate. This dictate feature will help you while taking on online classes or even offline classes. Likewise, you are creating some notes, and you want to create there are many long question answers, and you want to write them. So it would help you to speak and just convert it into a text form. So I hope this is a very useful tip for you. And there are many phrases like period for full stop, new line. So it's not next line, it's new line for then going into the next line, exclamation for the exclamation mark, and comma for a simple comma. So these are the basic functions which are used in this OneNote. So now heading towards this home tab. So these all have format features and bullets and everything, and these are the to-do lists. Yeah, so these are the lists what you can do. So you can see these are the tags. So likewise, okay, so let me just erase all this. Let me erase all this. So I would write work to do in this week. So likewise, I want to mark it as an important because I want to do this. So what you have to do, you have to drag this. Yeah. So what you have to do, you have to go to drop down menu and tag. You can see you have to tag this note. I will tag it as an important. So what it will help you, likewise, if you have yeah. So you can see there is a search feature here. So what I will do is I will do it important. See, so there applications, and this was my another page, and this one is this topic lecture one. So this one is it. So I will click it, it will automatically take me over this side. Yeah. So this is very important feature. Likewise, if you have many important things to do, and you could even do this. So what I will do is, so as you can see, I have created a list of 5 things to do in my this week. That's my target for this week. So I just created like this. I don't yeah. So what I will do is I will just click this, and it's a to do. For me, it's a to do. So this is, I will create, yeah, wait, let me select this, and again a to do. As you can see, it has created to do list for all my this sentences. So so likewise, I have completed my homework. So it will, yeah, so you can checklist. So you have completed your homework, and you have created your notes of science. I have repaired my laptop, I have ordered my groceries, but I haven't completed my work. So it would help you to like this, like not in important, but it in to do. Like to do, you have to do, so you can identify this. I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, but this is remaining. So you can click this and complete my pending work of subjects. So it will help you, it's not beneficial for a single page, but it will help you after you have created a lot of pages. You have created a lot of notebooks, like for different subjects. So it would create this, so rather than clicking on each and every notebook and each and every section, each and every page, you could just directly search over this side. Yeah, so you can directly search over this side, and you could easily identify what is remaining, what work you have done, and what work is pending. So likewise, if you want, you can create your own tag, like I have created this done yet to do. So you have to create a new tag. It will just come here a window. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, so you have to name this tag. So I can name it completed. So what is this? This is completed. I will just, so likewise, I like the circle, and this will be a circle which will be completed. So if I have created this, it will create a new tag. Just you can see, yeah, it has a completed. So likewise, if I replace all my this with completed, so it will, yeah, so let me remove this. Yeah, so likewise, if I go over this side and I will write come, so let me so like I have written completed, and you can see all my this completed tags have been listed over here. So this is one of the best features of OneNote, which I think, yeah. So now coming upon to the insert. So okay, so let me just delete everything. Yeah. So likewise, I will insert. You can insert a table. You can insert a file. You can insert a printout. That's for the insert printout from PDF, pictures, any online video, any link, and audio. This one is a very beneficial feature. Likewise, again, you are doing an online class, and you want to just record whole session, like whether it's a 1 hour class or 2 hour class. It's very useful for you. Likewise, if I click on audio, so you can see preparing to record. So it will start, it has recorded. So you can see it's recording. You can see it's recording, it's a recording time. If you want to stop, play, pause, back to 5 minutes, back 15 minutes, it will be created, everything will be created. So I will stop it. So so I should play this. I hope you will all be able to listen this. So it's, you can see, preparing to record. So it will start, it has recorded. So you can see, so it's, you can see, preparing to record. So it will start, it has recorded. So you can see it's recording. You can see it's record. Yeah. So I just remove this. I will just, yeah, you just have to delete this and everything will be deleted. So now I would insert a file, that would be a random file. Wait, let me open this file. So as you can see, this is how to insert this file. This is my maths PDF. So I would use it as insert as a printout. So as you can see, it has been inserting my printout. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes, and this icon will be there. You just have to remove this icon. So it will just it will just insert my file. That's my maths chapter file. I don't know which chapter it is, but it's a chapter, my chapter file. I think it's large, so that's why it's taking time. The more heavier file it will be, the more time it will take to insert this, because it's inserting in a form of printout in which you can select, even you can select text. Likewise, you can even make out the text from the this PDF or any image. That's a very useful feature. So as I have already told you that I would be bringing my another video for tips and tricks. So I hope that would also help you, and these tips and these small tips and tricks will be included in that. So let's wait for inserting printout. So as you can see, my this PDF file has been uploaded. So let me bring this to the top. Yeah, yeah. So just I will remove this icon. It's not for us. So likewise, you can see I told you that it will just you can even extract the text for the from this image. So if you want to see that thing and more other tips and tricks, so just subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you get my notification whenever I post it. So it would be most probably next Saturday. So stay tuned for my next video. So yeah, so I will just zoom it. You can even resize this picture, that entire, not entire page, just yeah, entire page but not entire document. Yeah. Likewise, I'll, oh, it's my chapter 1. So likewise, so okay, so I want this as an important paper. So just, yeah, so this is the draw feature in which you can see many pens are there, and after clicking on this arrow, you could just identify this thickness, and you can change the color. Likewise, this is a lava color, it's an ocean, it's a galaxy, it's a rainbow, it's rose gold, golden, that's silver, bronze, and there are many more colors. Likewise, okay, so I just use this lava color. So okay, so I think so, let me highlight this. Oh sorry, wait. Yeah, so this is a, yeah, it's not a perfect highlighter, but still, yeah, for the highlighter, yeah, so this is a highlighter. So you can see it highlights everything which is on your screen. It highlights well, not everything, but whatever you select, it highlights it. So you have to just draw with a mouse or a touch. So this is basically for a mouse or a touch. Likewise, if you want to draw something or you want to teach, it's for basically if you want to teach to it's a teacher's tip. If you want to teach, or if you even want to write, yeah, it's all even a student's tip. So if you want to even write to just enhance your notebooks, so what you can do, you can connect a graphic tablet with your keyboard, sorry, with your computer or laptop or PC, anything which you have. So what it will do, it's a graphic tablet. It comes approximately of 6 to 7,000. So what it does, it is just like a digital pen and a tablet, which is connects with your PC with your USB port, and you could write anything which you like. So what I will do is, yeah, so now you can see I have drawn it. Yeah, so let me draw something like an math equation with my mouse pointer. Okay, so now moving forward towards the next thing, which will be, oh sorry, yeah, so this is my this mathematics. So okay, so likewise I want to create this as an important, oh sorry, yeah, actually I wanted to create a star. So what I will do is create a lasso select, and as you can see I will go to ink to shape, and it create it as a shape if it identifies it as a shape, but unfortunately it hasn't identified it as a shape. So let me, so you can see it's an ink to shape. So what I will do is now create another star and ink to shape. Unfortunately it doesn't, I don't know why it's not taking this star inside this, but yeah. So what I will do is I will write a new equation. So let me write it. So as you can see, I have created a simple solution, and just go into this and just go this math feature. This math will automatically this identify it as an equation. So you can see I will just click to ink to math. So it has just created this. Oh wait me, yeah. So it just created this equation. Let me take it over this side. Yeah, yeah. I will just so I will just go to solve, select action and solve x and y. So you can see x and y has been solved over here. So what I will do is drag again, yeah, again I will drag this. I don't know why this is, yeah, so I will again, yeah, so you can see I will drag this, and it has created this. So you can see, and now you would be wondering how it has been used. So what it will be there, you can see this is a show steps using substitution, elimination or matrices. I will just use elimination. You can see it has given you each and every solution for every step whatever it has written. So this is an immersive reader in which it will just speak this, speak, yeah, it will just speak my whole sentence, even this to make 4x, it will speak it in your accent. So this was an ink to math, and another feature was ink to text, which I already told you. So this was a basic overview of OneNote for Windows 10. So okay, moving forward, I would just like to tell you that you could even use a scanned document. You can even use a scanned document. You don't require a cam scanner after the government's notification for ban. You cannot use cam scanner, but yeah, it's an office lens which is free of cost and which is free for OneNote users even. So what you have to do, you have to just install it on your phone, even your tab, anything. And what you have to do is you just have to click a photo. So I will just go and just show you how to take a photo using office lens. So now as you can see, I have installed office lens on my iPhone. So you can see this is office lens. It's free of course. You can download it from any of the app store or play store. You can download it on any device. So now I'm pointing it on my this maths book. So as you can see, this is my maths book, and I would just click, yeah, so I would just click picture, and I would just resize it according to me. And you can see this was my another picture. Yeah, this was the same picture which was being in a whiteboard mode. So you can go to filters, and just go to whiteboard or black and white, because this was one was whiteboard. These both were whiteboard. So now if I would like to export this, likewise if you have all this big book, so now then what you will do, you will just have to export this. And if you want these same similar pages in your notebook, so what you have to do is you just have to go this side, done, OneNote, and topic 1 online solution, it will already automatically detect it. So you just have to go and save. So that way the file would be saving in my topic 1 folder, like sorry, topic 1 notebook. So then let's go to our computer screen to identify what changes has been happened. So as you can see now, I have opened my MacBook screen. I have switched from Windows to MacBook because I want to show you the syncing process that it syncs on every time. So you can see it syncs on every moment you make any changes. Likewise, I'm doing resizing. It will change on all my Microsoft OneNote uh, all the Microsoft OneNote pictures. Likewise, not all the pictures, the same picture. So now as you can see, there are two images have been copied. Like this is an 1107 and this is lecture 1. So 1107 is today's date, and that's what it has been loading it on into another page. So what you have to do, you could just drag or copy one thing and just go to lecture 1, and you can see that this one I have that's the same maths equation which I was telling you about the in the tutorial. So as you can see, my all the PDFs have also been updated over here. So I want to just show you the syncing process, that how it syncs. So that was the main feature of OneNote. So now what I will be telling you, I will be telling you how to share this notebook. Likewise, this is our last step. So we will go to file, and then you can see there's a share. Yeah, so this is a share. So you can invite people to this notebook, or copy view only link, or just copy view and edit link to notebook. Yeah, so you can see copy view only link to the notebook is likewise you are giving it to your teacher or any other people who only could view this and not edit this. So this could be a useful feature for them. And then comes send email, send page as an email message, and then or copy view and edit link to notebooks, like if you want to give someone edit access or send as a PDF. So I'm going to share it as a PDF, and see this is in my title and everything where I have to use it. I'm just showing it on the Mac so that you can understand that syncing process is available at any time. So I hope you have seen this tutorial very well, and if you're watching till now, thank you for watching till here. So I would be just telling you there's an announcement that next Saturday I would be posting some new tips and tricks for the same OneNote for Windows 10 for you teachers and for you students. Both have been in the same video. So I hope you would find that useful, and to get that notification that whenever I post this video, click on the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get a notification. You have to just press the bell icon, that's very important, which will give you a notification. So I'm Kirat Reki and you are watching KR